You're welcome back. Before we begin, I would like to mention that for this course, we shall be using the Remix IDE for our development. So all you need to do is to just search for Remix IDE. So the first option you get is a link to the IDE. So the Remix IDE is just like VS Code. So the Remix IDE is an open source code editor that is very effective for writing and developing smart contracts. It is very suitable for beginners, and that's what we shall be using throughout the course of this video. So once you open it, you click on the accept, then you see the next pop-up, welcome to the Remix IDE. So you can pick learning, whether you're developing a project or any of them, but for now, we'll just be saying learning. So once you click on the learning, the next is just a quick walkthrough of what this IDE contains. So here is the logo. Next, you see our compiler. Then you see the place where we'll deploy our smart contracts. So all of these features provided for us in this very IDE makes the whole process of working with smart contracts very easy. In Solidity, we must compile a smart contract before we can run it. So with that, we have a dedicated place for our compiler. And once our smart contract is being compiled, we get to deploy it. So this very section called deploy is meant for deployment of smart contracts. Then this section is for those who wish to learn more about the Ethereum network. So you can see different courses for beginners. My key advice for beginners is that you should start off using the Remix IDE. It will go a long way to help you in writing your smart contract and also deploying. When you become very confident with writing smart contracts, then you can transition to writing your smart contract in either VS Code or your IDE of choice. Next, let's come to our file explorer. Here we see our workspaces. So here we have a list of various workspaces. We can also create a new workspace if we choose to. Just we will have it in most code editors. For example, VS Code. This is just a simple file explorer. We'll open our contracts. We'll see the list of smart contracts. Then scripts, these are some scripts which are also generated for us when we're creating new projects, and also test files. So that will be all for this video. In our next video, we shall be creating our first smart contract.